Okay, so as promised, I said I would do an update video as soon as we got back on track here and started to work on the bodywork modifications that we have to do on my Porsche 904 race car project. We're starting with the rear section and we're attaching the rear flares, which are much needed because we're running 11-inch wide rear wheels. So as you can see here, we have the flares that we pre-made just to get a shape. We have those in place and they are held on with fiberglass tabs, and once they are hard we will remove the tail section from the car and it'll be taken to the glass shop where they will backfill the flare with foam and start shaping the actual flare and then sanding the foam down so we get a nice smooth transition. The side scoops will be made as well. We're going with a larger side scoop as used on the racing 904s for more air intake. So this modification you see here will be removed completely. We decided not to go with the GT40 type air intake on the tail section. We started with it and then I decided I didn't really like it, so we're going to go back with the more standard factory large air intake on the side. So currently we have the driver's side flare held in place. Looking at it from the rear, you can get an idea of the width, what it'll be like with the flares on. The flares will be actually blended in, and that it looks like shit right now, but again, there'll be nice flares. And as we can see on this side, we still have the original air intake, but the ones we will make ourselves will be larger and allow more air to go in. So that's where we are today. It's February the 1st, 2022. Again, I'm glad to see some progress being made. And once we get these flares all glassed and molded and sanded and fit and shaped, they'll look quite nice. And then we'll be moving on to the main body and of course the front section, which I won't get into right now, but as we make progress I'll be making other videos. So that's it for today.